Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show how to check your PC activation status in Windows 11. Let's get started. To begin, go to your desktop and click the Start button on your taskbar. Once the Start menu opens, click on Settings. If you don't see the Settings icon, simply type Settings into the search bar and open the app from the search results. When the Settings window opens, click on System from the menu on the left-hand side. Next, scroll down through the System settings until you find Activation, then click on it. On the Activation page, you'll see your PC's activation information. At the top of the page, you'll find the activation state. If it says Active, that means your copy of Windows 11 is properly activated and genuine. You may also see additional details, such as whether your Windows license is linked to your Microsoft account or if it was activated with a digital license. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.